Batang taga-munisipiong Brooks Point, JB Angel de Pasupil, number 77, JB Erpayuan. Hey, Sound. And good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the 21st Valley Festival Open Invitational Mayor GBD Basketball Tournament 2024. And matches to be played for team of YJ Sportswear up against for team of Graindale's Hostel ng Kim and John. Yung import po ng Graindale's Hostel, JB Erpayuan from Tondo, Manila, laban sa team ng YJ Sportswear Import, itong Mark Sinyasa. Ang isa sa mga kilabot ng Panalay Gaming, tatak 45, naglalaro sa ating minamahal na munisipyo, Municipality of Nara. And the ball is up. Time is on. Let's get it on. Let's play some basketball. For the opening quarter, nakuha ng kilabot ng Panalay Gaming na numero 45. Pero madadampot itong import from Tondo, Manila, JB Erpayuan, stolen for team of Black Shirt. Itong kilabot naman ng munisipyong Brooks Point, ibibigay sa game changer Angel Pang! 3 points. Good for 3 points for Angel de Pasupil for the opening quarter. Was brought to us Chapo Sublimation, the official sponsor ng ating mga kabataan naglalaro nung nakarang sa second SPS Governors Cup dyan po sa lungsod ng Puerto Princesa. Pero sa kasalukuyan, atin po natutungayan ang ating 21st Valley Festival Open Invitational Mayor GBD Basketball Tournament 2024 floater for team of Graindale's Hostel, Kim and John. Nakuha nitong YG Sportswear for team of Black Shirt, yung kilabot JP Madeja ng Brooks Point, ibibigay sa Spider-Man ng munisipyong Nara. 3 points! Pagkatapos ng game changer, yung the Spider-Man naman ng munisipyong Nara, yung pumukol from the 3-point lane. 0-6 na po yung tinatalang score. Pumapor para sa team ng YG Sportswear, JB Erpayuan from Tondo, Manila. Pinapasayo yung depensa, import po yan ng Kim and John. But outside for number 18, not good from the 3-point lane. Isaiah Dis Reyes, bounce pass for game changer Angel de Pasupil, JP in and out para sa kilabot ng munisipyo Brooks Point dyan po sa Kukunat, capital ng lalawigan ng Palawan. Pero isang makunat na tawagan para kay Sir Larawan. Call for a foul for team of YG Sportswear. Outside chopper! 3 points from the city of the Living God. Yung Rodriguez muling pumukol para sa maagang tatluhan para din sa Graindale's Hostel, Kim and John. Point, isang palakol yung nilalamang nitong mga grupo ng mga naka-black shirt for team of YJ, jersey number 1. Get the game changer, something Sinasa, good for 2 points. Yung ari ng Panalay Gaming, iradang pilit kaya hindi namilipit yung 2 point. Stolen by JP, ibibigay sa kanyang katimbang from munisipyong Brooks Point. Good for 2 points for Isaiah De Los Reyes. Pumapabor po para sa grupo ng YJ, 3:15 our running score. Isaiah sending for Angel de Pasupil. Ginabago, jersey number 10, JB Erpayuan from number 13. Good for 2 points. Good for 2 points by AJ Rodriguez. Was jersey number 6, 5 minutes and 34. Binetes, laglag kay Isaiah. 3 points. One shot. 5:20, 15 point. JB Erpayuan from the top. Agad JB Erpayuan from the 21-foot lane. Nothing but net. 3 points. Punit for JB. Bibigay kay Rinin Taripe yung kilabot ng Manunggol Quezon. JB sending for number 13. Unselfish pass. Call for JB Erpayuan. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Pero nahihirapan yung batang taga-munisipyong Brooks Point. JB Pang! Tinitigal pa! Ang Dumangueña, number 73, Bruno. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Outside! Boom! 3 points! Nakakuha ng talon. Ibibigay kay JP Madea from Municipality of Brooks Point. But the game changer, Angel! Boom! Boom! Basket for 3 points! JB Erpayuan from Tondo, Manila sa Bruno. Agmis outside jumper, 3 points! Agawan ng buko, nakuha nitong number 23, John Paul! That good for JP Madea, yung pride ng munisipyo ng Brooks Point. Knocks on 3 points! Yung bitaw ng John Paul Madea from the 3-point lane, JB Erpayuan. Pero napituan ng unsportsmanlike foul itong Mike Isonsi dahil Angel Di Pasupil, number 77. JB Erpayuan, good for 2 points. Ng Isaiah, number 10, Erpayuan from Tondo, Manila. Pinapasaya yung depensang Angel. Erpayuan, bang! Good for 2 points. Yung mga kasama para itawid yung bola. JB Erpayuan, number 10, import. Outside chopper, bang! 3 points. What? Not good. JB Erpayuan. Good for 2 points. Last shot, basket count. 5 Mark Sinesa na JB Erpayuan, number 10, behind the back. Ikutan ng bola. Rinen Taripe. Good for 2 points. 50-56 outside chopper, 3 points for JB. Angel Di Pasupil, kick out, number 6, Binetes, good for 2 points. 58-56, John Roman Tablan, bibigay kay John Paul. Angel Di Pasupil, par for 3, Angel Di Pasupil. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. JB Erpayuan, kick out. Yung fresh from the bench, Barangay, 3 points. Number 1, Toto Colomna, the Spider-Man. Number 1, Toto Colomna, bigay kay John Paul Madeja, the pride of Municipality of Brooks Point. 3 points. Di Pasupil, stolen for JB Erpayuan. Good for 2 points for Rinen Taripe. Rodriguez bibigay sa import. Itong JB Erpayuan, number 10. Good for 2 points for JB. Ipad, huli rin ng import. Para sa team ng YJ, papauna kay Angel. Good for 2 points for Angel Di Pasupil. JB Baspas for La Posa. Good for 2 points. Number 77, Angel, bibigay kay Isaiah. Bang! Basket count at may kasama pa foul. Jersey number 23 for JB. Number 10, Erpayuan. Good for 2 points. Oh, nadampot ng Grain del Sosel. 2 minutes and 40. Air Payuan, good for 2 points. Air Payuan, itang angas ng tundo. Kick out, jersey number 73, outside jumper. Sa Bruno, 3 points.
45 seconds, 8 seconds on the shot. 40 seconds, 38 seconds remaining. Wala po
40 seconds.
PCB versus.
Yung second game po natin, abangan din po natin yung
And now, ladies and gentlemen, and the final score 74-88. And congratulations, your team, Letters Hostels, King John. Congratulations! Sila po ang manalo.